Hello everyone, welcome again to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide speed dial in Opera browser computer in Windows 10. So how to hide speed dial in Opera browser computer in Windows 10? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this and scroll down. And tap the setting menu here. Now here it is in the settings menu. Enter the browser menu. Now here it is in the browser menu. Then tap hide speed dial. And then return to the main screen of the Opera browser. Now you can see here there is already a speed dial display. So that's it, the tutorial how to hide speed dial in Opera browser computer in Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.